Hi teachers, this quick video tutorial is going to show you how to either select different thumbnails or create your own thumbnails for all of your YouTube videos. So thumbnails are what appear when a video is not playing. So you can see that I have a banner across some of my thumbnails. Sometimes I do a banner down the side, or sometimes I have an orange background. So you can create your own custom thumbnails. YouTube will give you 3 thumbnails pre-selected from your video. You can't really choose which ones that YouTube comes up with. So if you don't like one of those, I suggest making your own. So the first thing I want to show you is how to get to the section where you can change the thumbnail and see the options YouTube provides you. So you want to open up your channel and you want to go into your YouTube studio. And then once you're in your YouTube studio, you can do it one of 2 ways. You can search for your channel at the very top, or you can go to your videos list. Especially if you don't have a lot of videos, this is a great way to get into it. So once you find the video that you want, you would want to select the pencil icon for that video. And I can see right here, there are 4 options. Well, there are 3 options from YouTube and then my own created thumbnail. So I have one of these 3 options and then I've created my own thumbnail and uploaded it. If you want to have fun with creating your own thumbnails, I actually love doing this in Google Drawings. So in Google Drawings, waiting for it to load, I typically change my screen size. Oops, not under language, under page setup. To, instead of the standard 4:3, I will go with a standard 16:9 or 16:10. I think I have mine set at 16:9. And then from here, you can put whatever you want in the background. You can make your background a solid color. You can add graphics. We'll just add a few random things here. We'll add a shape. I love to add Bitmojis. So if you have a Bitmoji account, you can add a Bitmoji in the center. And it's really nice in your thumbnails if you add the title of the video. So you would want to, in some way, add the title and make sure it's big enough so that users can view it when it's a small thumbnail. So we'll make it nice and big. Okay, and then I would go ahead and file, and I'm going to download this. I like to download mine as pings. So I'm going to go ahead and download that image. I'll just save it as test. So it's a downloaded ping, and then I go back into my YouTube. And then if I already have a thumbnail uploaded, I can click the 3 dots and select change. Or if you don't have a thumbnail, you'll simply get an icon that says add, that lets you click and add and upload your own. So you can select change, and then you simply find your thing and change it. I don't want to change mine because this is the thumbnail that I want. But that will then change it so when users first visit the video.
Hi teachers, this quick tutorial is going
if
to
the
show
video
you how to take something like a PDF that
doesn't start playing immediately, it will show whatever thumbnail you have chosen.